So good afternoon, this is Arisa M. Obiso and this is my explanation about the Wildlife Resources Conservation and Protection Act, also known as Republic Act number 9147, is a law enacted in the Philippines to conserve and protect the country's wildlife species and their habitats. The law provides of the regulation of collection, trade, and possession of wildlife, emphasizing sustainable management practices and the conservation of biological diversity. It was signed into law in July 30, 2001. For example, protection of our Philippine eagle, snakes, or anything about the wildlife animals. We don't allow to take care of them or kill them without permits. Number 2 is the Cave and Cave Resources Management and Protection Act, officially known as the Republic Act number 9072. Is a law enacted in the Philippines to provide of the conservation of protection and management of caves and their resources. It recognizes caves as a part of the natural heritage of the Philippines and aims to ensure their sustainable use to prevention. For example, Puerto Princesa Sabitarian Rivers National Park, one of the most prominent example of the implementation of the Cave and Cave Resources Management and Protection Act, RA number 9072, is the management of the Puerto Princesa Sabitarian River National Park in Palawan. This park is home to one of the longest underground rivers in the world, featuring an extensive cave system with unique geological formation and biodiversity. And the Forestry Code of the Philippines, officially known as Presidential Decree number 705, was enacted on May 19, 1975 to govern the management and utilization of the country's forest resources. This decree aims to ensure the sustainable management of forest land and to protect the conserve the forest ecosystem while promoting their sustainable use for economic and environmental purposes. For example, the Mount Apo Natural Park. Mount Apo is the highest peak in the Philippines and is located in Davao region. It is recognized for its rich biodiversity and ecological significance, and under the Forestry Code, Mount Apo has been designated as a protected area, and various initiatives are being undertaken to conserve these forests and resources. And this is the Chinsao Code, officially known as Republic Act number 9175. Is a law enacted Philippines enacted in November 13, 2002. The primary objective of this law is the regulate of the Chinsao in the country to ensure responsible usage, prevent illegal logging, and protect the environment and forest resources. For example, implementation of Chinsao Code in Forest Management. The Department of Environment and Nature Resources, or DENR, actively regulates Chinsao use in various forest management initiatives, especially in regions prone to illegal logging. This involves enforcing the prevention of the Chinsao Code to ensure that Chinsao are used legally and sustainably. And this is the Fishery Code of the Philippines, officially known as the Republic Act number 8550, was enacted in February 5, 1998. This law aims to promote the sustainable development and management of the country's fisheries and aquatic resources, ensuring that they are utilized in a manner that contribute to food security and economic development while protecting the marine environment. For example, the bangus industry, Dagupan City. Dagupan City renewed for its bangus or milk fish production, which is considered one of the major fishery products in the Philippines. The local government and the Department of the Agriculture work together to implement the prevention of the Fisheries Code to promote sustainable practice in bangus farming and ensure the long-term viability of the industry. And this is the Clean Air Act number Philippine, officially known as Republic Act number 8749. was enacted on June 23, 1999. This comprehensive law aims to protect the enhance the quality of the air in Philippines, ensuring the public rights to clean air and healthy environment. The Clean Air Act establishment a framework for air quality management, promoting sustainable practices to reduce air pollution from various sources. For example, public awareness campaign, traffic management, and public transportation. And the last is the Clean Water Act, officially known as Republic Act number 9275, was enacted in the Philippines on March 22, 2004. This law aims to protect the country's water bodies from pollution, promote the sustainable management of water resources, and ensure the access to clean and safe water for all people. Thank you.